You done eating now? You gonna suck your thumb? And poke yourself in the eye? Here you are. Hey, Buzz. Say hi to everybody. Hey? No. I'm tired now. I just ate a lot. And I like my eye. Hey, come on. Say hi to everybody. Look how handsome you are. Oh, you're sucking your thumb. It's the first time I've seen you suck your thumb. Is it good? Yeah, it's good. He's wearing a Charlie Sheen winner outfit. Winner! Hey? Yeah. Oh, that's a big yawn. Okay. Hey, say bye to everybody, buddy. Hey? Oh. Okay. Say bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.